Hi everyone. Welcome back to Beaten Win Channel. Today, let's learn how to say who or what someone is not. Simple, no textbooks, just speak with me. Let's go. To make a negative sentence, we just add not after I, is, are. Listen and repeat after me with full form and short forms. I am not or I'm not.
I am not or I'm not.
He is not or he isn't.
He is not or he isn't.
She is not or she isn't.
She is not or she isn't.
It is not or it isn't.
It is not or it isn't.
You are not or you aren't.
You are not or you aren't.
We are not or we aren't.
We are not or we aren't.
They are not or they aren't.
They are not or they aren't.
Example. I am not a student. I'm not a student.
I am not a student. I'm not a student.
He is not busy. He isn't busy.
He is not busy. He isn't busy.
They are not here. They aren't here.
They are not here. They aren't here.
Now, let's practice with 3 levels. Level 1. In this level, I will say a subject, and you must speak the negative form. Speak out loud after the ting. Are you ready? Let's go. I, not. I am not or I'm not.
I am not or I'm not.
She, not. She is not or she isn't.
She is not or she isn't.
They, not. They are not or they aren't.
They are not or they aren't.
We, not. We are not or we aren't.
We are not or we aren't.
He, not. He is not or he isn't.
He is not or he isn't.
You, not. You are not or you aren't.
You are not or you aren't.
It's not. It is not or it isn't.
It is not or it isn't.
Excellent. Let's move to level 2. Sentence building. In this level, I will give you a subject and a keyword. You need to make a full negative sentence. Speak out loud after the ting. I sad. I am not sad. I'm not sad.
I am not sad. I'm not sad.
He, an artist. He is not an artist. He isn't an artist.
He is not an artist. He isn't an artist.
She, at home. She is not at home. She isn't at home.
She is not at home. She isn't at home.
It's cold. It is not cold. It isn't cold.
It is not cold. It isn't cold.
We, lazy. We are not lazy. We aren't lazy.
We are not lazy. We aren't lazy.
You, wrong. You are not wrong. You aren't wrong.
You are not wrong. You aren't wrong.
They, doctors. They are not doctors. They aren't doctors.
They are not doctors. They aren't doctors.
I, hungry. I am not hungry. I'm not hungry.
I am not hungry. I'm not hungry.
He, a teacher. He is not a teacher. He isn't a teacher.
He is not a teacher. He isn't a teacher.
She, tired. She is not tired. She isn't tired.
She is not tired. She isn't tired.
It's expensive. It is not expensive. It isn't expensive.
It is not expensive. It isn't expensive.
We, late. We are not late. We aren't late.
We are not late. We aren't late.
They, ready. They are not ready. They aren't ready.
They are not ready. They aren't ready.
I'm a liar. I am not a liar. I'm not a liar.
I am not a liar. I'm not a liar.
He, At the office. He is not at the office. He isn't at the office.
He is not at the office. He isn't at the office.
Great job! Let's move to level 3. The challenge. Look at the emoji and the keyword, then speak the sentence immediately. Speak out loud after the ting. I am not sad. I'm not sad.
I am not sad. I'm not sad.
He is not a student. He isn't a student.
He is not a student. He isn't a student.
It's yellow. It is not yellow. It isn't yellow.
It is not yellow. It isn't yellow.
They slow. They are not slow. They aren't slow.
They are not slow. They aren't slow.
We at school. We are not at school. We aren't at school.
We are not at school. We aren't at school.
You, a thief. You are not a thief. You aren't a thief.
You are not a thief. You aren't a thief.
It's a dog. It is not a dog. It isn't a dog.
It is not a dog. It isn't a dog.
She, busy. She is not busy. She isn't busy.
She is not busy. She isn't busy.
It's cold. It is not cold. It isn't cold.
It is not cold. It isn't cold.
It's sour. It is not sour. It isn't sour.
It is not sour. It isn't sour.
I, a cook. I am not a cook. I'm not a cook.
I am not a cook. I'm not a cook.
It's blue. It is not blue. It isn't blue.
It is not blue. It isn't blue.
They, at home. They are not at home. They aren't at home.
They are not at home. They aren't at home.
It's sweet. It is not sweet. It isn't sweet.
It is not sweet. It isn't sweet.
We. Sad. We are not happy. We aren't happy.
We are not happy. We aren't happy.
Amazing! You just mastered how to say who or what someone is not. Simple, right? Now, your homework. Comment one sentence about what you are not today. For example, I am not tired, or I am not a doctor. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see video 3. See you soon. Bye for now.